Martin Sousa. C'est quoi? Où est ça? On va commencer.
Washington, D.C., Maryland, listen to me. You already know it. I'm going to be in Washington, D.C., January 27. Only one day class. If you miss it, trust me, you might miss the biggest time ever. I don't know if I'm going to go back. I might go back in Washington this year, but I don't know when. But this opportunity, you don't want to miss it with Rose. I'm going to be in Washington, D.C., teaching Kompa. This is the flyer. I'm going to teach Kompa in Washington, D.C., January 27, one day. But if you want to book private lessons, you can book private